September 1887, northern China. For weeks, the Yellow River had been rising. Heavy monsoon rains had swollen the waters to dangerous levels. The dikes were straining. Then, on one terrible night, they broke. Within hours, a wall of water 30 feet high was racing across the land. It swallowed everything in its path. Entire cities vanished. Thousands of villages were erased. By the time the water stopped, at least 900,000 people were dead. It remains the deadliest flood in human history. This is the story of the 1887 Yellow River flood. The Yellow River is the second longest river in China. For thousands of years, it supported civilization. Its soil fed millions. But it came at a cost. The river has flooded over 1,500 times. That is why it is called China's sorrow. The reason lies beneath the surface. The river carries massive amounts of sediment. Over time, this sediment raises the riverbed. Eventually, the river flows above the surrounding land. Only dikes hold it back. And in 1887, those dikes failed. The summer of 1887 was unusually wet. Rain fell for weeks. The river kept rising. By late August, water touched the top of the dikes. Farmers tried to hold them together. But on September 28th, near Huayuankou, the dikes collapsed. A massive wall of water burst through. It moved fast. It struck at night. There was no warning. By morning, entire villages were gone. The flood covered more than 50,000 square miles. Towns disappeared underwater. People climbed rooftops and trees. Many waited for help that never came. The flood destroyed crops. Famine followed. Then disease spread. Cholera and typhoid killed even more. Estimates say between 900,000 and 2 million people died. No one knows the exact number, but it remains the deadliest flood ever recorded. Scientists later studied the river. They discovered the riverbed was unusually flat. This allowed the water to carry more sediment. The particles were extremely fine. They stayed suspended in water. This explains the river's power and its danger. After the flood, China faced devastation. Millions were homeless. Relief was slow, but change began. Engineers redesigned flood control systems. Dams were built. Dikes were strengthened. Trees were planted to reduce erosion. Since 1945, the river has not burst its banks. Today, millions still live along the Yellow River. The danger still exists, but the lessons of 1887 remain. The river still flows, and people still remember the year it took 900,000 lives.